x equals 4, you have one here. But this one is a multiplicity of 2. What does that mean? So you could have a linear here. And then the multiplicity of 2 we talked about previously was just a bounce. So you can have a graph that looks like this. Now you have to have, right here, you have to have a parabola. I guess you could have two linears going through there and then a third one. So I guess you could do something like this. Line. And then you have two answers going through the same point. Okay? Now, a big idea for this chapter is this. X equals negative 3. I have a question. If you wanted to move the negative 3 to the left side, what would you do? Huh? What would you do? If you're trying to move this over the equation, what would you do? You add. Pay attention. You're going to see this for the next 2 months. X plus 3 equals 0. Let's do the same thing on this one. What would you do? Minus 4. What would you do? You get x minus 4 equals 0. Pay attention. What does that mean? X equals negative 3 is the same thing as parentheses x plus 3. X equals 4 is the same thing as x minus 4. Pay attention. This one says multiplicity of 2, so you essentially have 2 of them. So what we're currently learning is that the zeros is where it crosses the x-axis. Multiplicity of 2 essentially means you have two solutions there. You can either have a bounce or you can have two linears. And the other big idea is that x equals negative 3. You put it into the parentheses, it'll become x plus 3 equals 0.